Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hot Wheels Garage. Big thumbs up if you enjoy this video, but most importantly, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss what's up next. Now today, we've got the 2019 Hot Wheels Q case ready to open up. So let's get straight into it and see what we've got. Been looking forward to getting this case. Finally, it arrived today, so we'll get it straight out and show everyone what is in it. Wow, that's beautiful. Those two Morris Minis from the Hot Wheels race team. Not the Super Treasure Hunts, but still pretty cool that we've got those two in this case. And you can see there we've got rig heat. Pretty nice. Next up, we've got Drift Star. We've also got that Lamborghini Huracan from the Factory Fresh series. Look really nice. Look at that orange stripe on it. Pretty cool. We've also got a 2017 Nissan GTR R35 Guaczilla. It's pretty much exactly the same as we've already seen this year. They haven't changed it at all. Next up, we've got Mod Rod. We've got two of those. It's a really awesome new casting. I'm really enjoying that casting. And you can see that 68 Mercury Cougar. It's got those Hot Wheels 50th wheels on it too that they're going to use in the main lines from now on. That's pretty cool. I'm really liking those wheels. And in white on that car, it looks pretty cool. Next up, we've got two of the Track Ripper, and this recolor from the Speed Blur series is pretty cool. I'm really liking it. Looks like a zebra. It's pretty cool. And we've also got Kit Kart from the Hot Wheels Ride-On series. All right, now we've got that Ford Focus RS in that metal gray color. It's pretty nice. Also that 2010 Ford Shelby GT 500 Super Snake in the Hot Wheels race team. That's a recolor in black. Really nice color. And the Roadster from the Hot Wheels Roadster series. Really enjoying this orange color. It's pretty cool. Really like the Roadster. Oh, and look at this. I was really looking forward to this case for this casting in particular. That Tesla Model 3. We've got two of those in that red maroon recolor. Beautiful. I'm loving it. And we've also got Z-Rod from Rod Squad. Alright, quick bite from the Hot Wheels Metro series. Really, this recolor is pretty cool as well. And we've got two high beams. Look what I've got, look what I've got. We've got T-Rex Stroyer, the 69 Dodge Charger, as well as the 67 Camaro Treasure Hunt. This car has been really popular out of this case. So excited to pull it. Excellent. That's really cool. What else do we have here? We've got another rig heat, and we've got two exotiques from that Speed Blur series. That's another recolor. Skull Shaker. Also that 91 Mazda MX-5 Miata, however you want to say that. Really like that one. And we've got Tomb Up. Nice cars. And that Porsche 911 GT3 RS. That purple is spectacular. We've also seen this in a Super Treasure Hunt, but this color is really beautiful. We've also got that Jaguar XJ220. Really nice. That orange is so bright on this one, and it's got heaps of tampos. Really cool. All right, so that's the first layer done. Let's get into the second layer. What do we got here? That custom 2018 Ford Mustang GT in the Gulf livery, recolored, pretty cool. We've also got that 64 Chevy Nova wagon from the Hot Wheels Art Car series. The Jaguar XE SV Project 8, another hotly anticipated casting. It's beautiful, I cannot wait to open that up. And we've also got Sandoval. We've got two Diora 3s. Also got a recolor there of that custom 77 Dodge van. The gold chrome is pretty cool. Pulling out too many cars. Got another Kit Kart and the Alpine A110 from Factory Fresh. Beautiful casting. well as that classic 55 Nomad from the Rod Squad. That's another recolor. And the Aston Martin Vulcan. That spoiler, it's a really big plastic spoiler. Also got a rising heat, and we've got Dragon Tail. Spectacular car, that one. Got another Justice League Batmobile. Oh, we've got that Dodge Challenger drift car. Actually really like that casting. And we've got a Roger Dodger 2.0. The Range Rover Velar. Look at it. Beautiful. This case is full of so many cool castings. Another one I cannot wait to open up. And we've also got Bogzilla. Got two of the recolors of the Porsche Panamera. And we've got that 83 Chevy Silverado and the Hot Wheels art cars. This is pretty cool. It's actually a really nice one. And we're coming to the end. The Hot Wheels Pursuit in the Hot Wheels Rescue series. Really nice car, that one. And we've got that Piranha Terra. Two of those 65 Mustang 2x2 fastbacks in that yellow. Pretty cool. And we've got an El Viento. 3 yellows. Here it is, Lamborghini Revention Roadster. Pretty nice decals on this one. And we've also got that Fast Gassin. Coming right to the end. Got two 67 Shelby GT 500s, and we've got a 2019 Ford Ranger Raptor. Well, that pretty much does it for this 2019 Q case. It's the last case of the series. Now let me say, there's so many great castings in here, I cannot really pick one. The Alpine is pretty cool. The Porsche 911 is really nice. We've got some, the Velar from Range Rover. I cannot pick one. Let me know which is your favorite in the comments below. All right, everyone, thanks for watching.